Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful Alex Duetto espresso machine. Now this machine was brought here because it wasn't really cleaning up completely and it just needed a general overhaul. It was leaking somewhere here and over there and also needed a new PID. So yeah, it needed a little bit of work. We had to replace the transformer of the PID, this one that you see right here. The PID itself, this is the older PID of the machine, and this is the older one. We also had to replace the boiler safety valve. As you see, is not really in the best conditions. We also had to replace the vacuum release valve. This one was not making a good seal, letting steam escape through the back of the machine and not making the heating element work harder than it needs to. And this is the case of the PID as well. And this is the older shower screen of the machine. As you can see, not looking the best. Lots of coffee grounds inside, and it was just completely clogged. So we had to actually get in there in the E61 group head, unclog that, deep clean everything in there, replace the gasket of the E61 group head. We also descaled both boilers, the brew boiler as well as the steam boiler of the machine, and just run a bunch of water through the entire day and making sure everything's running up fine and heating up properly the way it's supposed to. And as you can see, it's definitely heating up properly. There's really good steam coming out of the machine, working really good. Excellent pressure over there, and yeah, just working excellent. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're gonna test this machine out. Then we're gonna use a little bit of the hot water and then conclude the test. So hopefully I pick up the right grand series of this machine. Otherwise, we're gonna see drip coffee or coffee barely dripping. Nice steady flow coming out of the machine. Really good color as well. Looking really good. Excellent crema, a perfect quantity. Really good shot of espresso. And for the hot water, as you can see, working extremely great. Working great. And there you have it, Alex Duetto working once again. So thank you so much for repairing Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to our channel for more content like this every day, and thanks for watching.